So this is what's going on. This plant, this is full of water, this pot, but this plant has lost already 2 leaves, and I feel like this is going the same way. I don't know. This one looks pretty healthy, but it's also growing a new one. And I think the error is that the pot doesn't have any holes. I think could be. No estoy seguro que le pasa a esta planta. Ya han muerto 2 hojas. This one looks pretty healthy. This one not so much, but it's growing a new shoot. Este se ve súper bien. Esta no mucho. Y acá está creciendo una nueva hojita. Así que creo que me voy a arriesgar y la voy a pasar a leca. Y la voy a crecer en agua. And I'm gonna grow it in water. I'm just gonna take the risk. For that, I'm just going to do this, because I tried to do this earlier. See? So, this is one of those corms or something like that people call. So I didn't even use any of this dirt. Anyway, so I'm gonna wash this. Vamos a lavar esto, como dicen, hay que hacerlo. At least this one has a lot of roots. Tiene altas raíces este. Yeah, it's the same with this. They're both healthy. I don't like to do that thing that people do, like putting 2 leaves in one. Poner 2 hojas en una. No, I like 1 leaf to do the job. Me gusta que una hojita o una plantita crezca por sí sola. We're just gonna add more leca now. Looks pretty nice though, se ve súper bien. It's not that simple to do this, huh? Especially when there's already a baby coming. Now we're just gonna add some water. You see it? Up there. And now I'm gonna do the same with this one in a different container. But that's the idea, esa es la idea. And I'll keep showing you the results. Les voy a mostrar los resultados. See you there, nos vemos, chao, bye.